Hello and good evening everybody. Welcome back to this Excel spreadsheet on sales and the economies of scales. One more, so I have to fix and calculate the total fixed costs. So in order to do that, it has to be related to the GIA, the non-operations and the corporation administration costs. So here's how to calculate the total fixed costs. Equals sum B20 to B21 and press enter once you have that in and you'll get an answer which is €200. That's the answer for the total fixed costs. Okay, so that's fixed costs. The average annual customer costs and customers, the 6 months costs, and the cost of service. To copy this down. Right, there we go. Now it's all fixed. Now it's all calculated and finished. So that's ACS calculation finished. Now there's the economies sheet where I have to do a few more calculations. These euros are blank. Yep. The reason why they're blank because there's no calculation required just yet related to the fixed section. Okay, this is how to calculate the fixed section. Okay, it's fixed successfully. Very good. The next section is the ACS unit cost. Okay, that's very good so far. Now we're going to calculate the unit cost for the ACS plus the fixed expense. Very good. Okay, next step is we're going to go to this section and calculate the customer's cost, the customer's count, sorry. Now, there is only one sum here, which is €1,000. But what's missing is the other figures from customers' count. Here's how to solve and find the answer for the missing figures. Just N6, which is the above answer, plus 25. Now I can copy and drag this to the downside of the box to get the accurate answer for the others. It's 25 on each part. As you see, it's going up to 25 €25 each. So it's 1,000 all the way down to €1,550. That's it. So now we're on one last sum function table, and it's not hard. It's actually pretty simple. M6 multiplied by 1,000, then divided by N6, which is customers count, and that's the answer. Okay, so that's all finished and calculated. Now let's take a look at the chart. There's two charts. Here's the first one. It's an average cost of service chart. It supports the company's average cost of service, which is required in the ACS calculation sheet. This section is the amount of money that the customers have spent over the years, and then this is the average costs. Here is the ACS fixed economies of scale. So this is the actual economies of scales. This section is the cost per customer. Here's the customers. The blue color is the unit cost, which is here. ACS is down below, which is here, and then the customers is here, this line. So that's customers, this is unit cost, and the red is ACS. So that's my two charts. Now, before I finish and close the spreadsheet and end for today, let's take a look at my comments. You want to update this range based on your range of customer accounts and how far you would like to calculate the economies scale, which is here. Okay. Then over to C5. Enter your annual fixed expense dollars or euros, whatever it is, dollars or euros, in the cell below. And then this could be G, A, T, and A. Administration, rent, IT, finance, and so on. Enter your current average cost of service and into the cell below. The next cell is E, is to update this column based on your range of customers and view that you want to take. If you have 10,000 customers, you will want to make the highest number set at 2,500. Much higher than your current customer count of 10,000. And then the G5 is the column used to ACS, which is used to plot orange horizontal in the line chart below. And then the last comment is the customers column. This column is for the solid gray line in the chart below. Those two. So that was required in the expert ACS fixed expense economies scale chart. So that's all my comments, and that is everything calculated, and that's That is now the end of the spreadsheet of the sales and economies of scale. So that's how you basically design it, how you basically lay out the spreadsheet. So don't forget, start with the fixed and then end it with the customers, and don't forget to set up the ACS expense section with the customers. Make sure you add 25 to the customers. So that's all you have to do. Same here with the ACS calculation. Just all you have to do is just find the cost of service, find the rolling 6 months of range of costs, and then find the average annual cost of customer. As with fixed expense, all you have to do is calculate the total fixed costs. Now, luckily you don't have to calculate these three, because these will require me added to the sum function table, so I just calculate it on interest payable, amount of quantity, special offer, bonus, and amount payable. So, I hope you all enjoyed that spreadsheet so far. So thank you all for watching it. So thank you all for learning for what I do. So thank you all for watching this for today, and I'll close. So thank you all for listening, and have a good evening. Wash your hands, stay safe, and have a good evening. Adios.